Hello friends, Namaskaram. Today we will discuss an important topic concerning the application of principle of natural justice in departmental action. In departmental actions, the principle of natural justice ensures fairness, and apart from that it prevents the arbitrary actions. The key element is that the person must be given the right to have a fair hearing. There should be absence of biasness, and the grounds should be mentioned in the decision. If there is no reasons in that scenario, the judgment or proceeding would be illegal. The said principle basically aim to prevent the miscarriage of justice by ensuring the individuals affecting by the disciplinary actions have a chance to present their case, and apart from that the decision maker should be impartial. So basically, to understand the principle of natural justice and its application in departmental proceedings, we have to note down the following key aspects. Point number 1, fair hearing. Fair hearing is part and parcel of principle of natural justice. Basically, it mandates that the individual facing disciplinary action must be given a fair opportunity to represent their case and to respond the allegation. So we may say that it is basically indication of opportunity to individuals, means charge official, so that they could present their case in effective way without any caution, and apart from that they could respond the allegations against them in efficient manner. To be noted. Basically, the said protocol includes the three parameters. Number 1, the notice of charge. The notice must indicate the specifications. It must be clear, and apart from that, there must not be any change in the allegation in the SCN and memorandum of charge. If the allegations set up in SCN are differ from memorandum of charge, in that scenario, the concerned charge official could have the benefit. And apart from that, the evidences must be supplied along with list of witnesses. If the evidences are not supplied along with list of witnesses, in that scenario, the charge official would not be in a position to defend himself in the proper way. And that's why in this way the right to get a fair hearing would be affected, and ultimately the principle of natural justice would be affected. And apart from that, the opportunity to cross-examine must be given. If the opportunity is not given, in that scenario it is fatal, as observed by Honorable Patna High Court in judgment of Rahul Kumar versus State of Bihar. So we are clear that the right to hearing is one of the most important part of principle of natural justice. The second key aspect is that there should be absence of biasness. To be noted that in multiple judgments, Honorable Supreme Court is of view that the concerned authorities, means the inquiry officer, must act in the independent way, must be impartial, and must be free from personal interest. If they are biased, in that scenario, the quality of judgment could be affected. The judgment must contain the reasons for the adjudication. If there is no reason, in that scenario, it could be said that the authority is not acting as per the protocol. To be noted that the object of absence of biasness is that ultimately the concerned inquiry officer is required to ensure that the process is fair, and apart from that the decision is not predetermined or based on personal prejudice, and apart from that there must be the scenarios by the virtue of which the concerned official could represent himself without any threat. If the reasonable suspicion of biasness is in existence, or even there is a real likelihood, in that scenario it could be considered as a violation. To be noted. And apart from that, the judgment must be reasoned. That is third key aspect. If there is no reason, in that scenario, the proceedings are liable to be set aside and quashed. For this, we are having the important judgment of Honorable Supreme Court titled as Inderjit Singh versus Santosh. Judgment date is 19th of April 2022. And to be noted that each and every opportunity to defend must be given, and apart from that, we are having multiple judgment in which it is specified that if a case is pending in category criminal litigation on same set of facts, the proceedings in nature of departmental action should not be continued. They are required to be kept in abeyance. The important judgment is Devinder Mehta versus State of Rajasthan. So basically, we could say that the concerned authority are totally duty bound not to show any behavior that is biased. Apart from that, they must pass judgment that should contain reasons, and apart from that, they must provide the opportunity of proper hearing, fair hearing to the concerned charge official, so that the principle of national justice could be complied with. So I think that I am totally able to cause all of you to understand the basis of application of principle of natural justice concerning the departmental action. So whenever you are having departmental action, you may observe the set protocol and inter alia submit the submission to your authority so that the set principles could be complied with and you could get a proper justice in your departmental action. See you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.